So it's the Montreux Jazz Festival, and my friend is running sound, and they are explicitly told you cannot talk to the talent. You cannot talk to Van Morrison. And so inevitably, my friend's sitting on a bench, and Van comes and sits right next to him and says, "What did you think of the show?" My friend says, "I'm not allowed to talk to you." He says, "Oh, that old thing of the old writer. What do you think of the show?" They got right into it. It's the point. Treat people and cut through all the BS. Don't let titles get in the way. Don't let stories get in the way. Don't let assumptions get in the way. Be yourself to people and let people be themselves to you.